To understand our isometric view, we first need to realize that every flat surface on here is a plane. So this flat surface is a plane, this flat surface is a plane, this flat surface is a plane. So it's important that you remember that a plane is any flat surface. Good. The second thing that we need to know is that a line forms anytime two planes come together. So if this plane here is going to intersect this plane here, they're coming together, they're hitting each other, a line is going to form. Now that may seem very basic, it may seem very simple, but that is extremely important to remember as we get to these more complicated objects. So the important point number 2 that you need to know: a line forms anytime two planes come together. Wonderful. So let's take a look at our isometric view here. If we start out with number 1, let's imagine this to be a building. We have a road out front. We imagine that this is a door. It has a nice little window, even a nice little flower pot. Okay? So you're standing over here looking, admiring such a beautiful building. And you're looking at the front of the building. You are so amazed with just how good this building is that you walk around to the right side of the building. So now you're standing here looking at the right side of the building. You are so impressed with how good and how nice this building is that you've got to take a look at the top. So you get in a helicopter and you then look down from the top to see just how amazing this is. Okay? Those are the 3 different views that we're going to be looking at. We're going to be looking from the front, we're going to be looking from the right, and we're going to be looking from the top. Those are the 3 views that we are going to build. Here's where the problem comes in, and I'm going to kind of show you part of the multi-view projection we're going to build. As we build this, we're going to build a rectangle, we're going to build another rectangle, and we're going to build a third rectangle. Now that's going to be confusing for us. So to help eliminate some of that confusion, we are going to label each of these planes based on the area that we can view it best, meaning the front view, the right side view, or the top view. So if I look from the front view, I can view this plane the best. I am going to label this plane A. Why plane A? No particular reason, but it's simply a way for me to know that this is the plane that I'm drawing when I get to my multi-view projection. Okay, so we go to the right side of the object, and we are going to identify this as plane B. We then get on a big ladder. Okay. As you guys have already noticed, I have amazing artistic skills. Just kidding. But I think you guys can get the point. So I'm here and I'm looking down at the top, and I'm going to identify this, as you may have already guessed, plane C. Very good. Let's move on.